Tattoos don't always have to be bold, heavy, or complicated to make a strong impression. Sometimes simplicity speaks the loudest. Welcome to Tattoo 18. In today's video, we're exploring 78 simple band tattoo ideas for the forearm. Perfect for people who love clean designs, budget-friendly tattoos, and minimal pain. These band tattoos are specially curated for those who don't want to waste time, don't want heavy detailing, and are concerned about pain, but still want a tattoo that looks stylish, elegant, and meaningful. All these tattoo designs are sorted and presented by artist GK from SWASTHIK Tattoo Studio, keeping modern trends and real client preferences in mind. Let's first talk about why forearm band tattoos are so popular. The forearm is one of the most visible yet balanced placements for a tattoo. It's easy to show, easy to hide, and perfect for straight, clean band designs. Band tattoos on the forearm give a bracelet-like appearance, enhancing the natural shape of your arm. Most importantly, forearm band tattoos are less painful compared to other body parts, making them ideal for first-timers. Now let's move into the design categories you'll see in this video. 1. Simple line band tattoos. Many of these designs feature single line or double line bands. They're minimal, timeless, and never go out of style. Some are thin and subtle, while others are slightly bold for a stronger look. These designs are perfect if you want something quick, affordable, and classy. 2. Name band tattoos. Several designs include names wrapped inside or along the band. These could be your partner's name, a family member, or even your own name. Name band tattoos are emotional yet simple. They don't need heavy fonts or shading, just clean lettering that lasts forever. 3. Symbol-based band tattoos. You'll also see band tattoos created with small symbols like hearts, infinity signs, arrows, crosses, birds, stars, or religious icons. Each symbol adds a personal meaning while keeping the design lightweight and elegant. These are great for people who want meaning without complexity. 4. Triangle and geometric band tattoos. Geometric lovers, this one's for you. Triangles, dots, straight lines, and small patterns combine to form modern band tattoos that look sharp and stylish. These designs are especially popular among youngsters and professionals because they look clean and fashionable. 5. Minimal pattern band tattoos. Some bands feature repeating patterns, tiny shapes, or minimal textures. They create a bracelet effect without heavy filling or shading. These tattoos heal faster, cost less, and require very little maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of these simple band tattoos is the pain factor. Because the designs are minimal and mostly line-based, the tattooing process is fast, less needle time, and much more comfortable, even for pain-sensitive people. Most of these tattoos can be completed in one short session. Another important reason people choose these designs is budget. Simple band tattoos are budget-friendly, making them perfect for students, first-time tattoo lovers, and anyone who wants a meaningful tattoo without spending too much. Style doesn't always need a big budget, and these 78 designs prove that. As you watch through the designs, notice how each tattoo fits naturally on the forearm, enhancing the arm's shape and giving a clean, balanced look. Whether you prefer inner forearm or outer forearm placement, these designs work beautifully on both. These tattoos are not just trends, they're timeless. Years later, they'll still look elegant and relevant. That's why all these designs are carefully selected by artist GK, focusing on simplicity, clarity, and long-term appeal. If you're someone who loves minimalism, clean aesthetics, and meaningful tattoos, this collection is made just for you. Take your time, watch till the end, and pick the band tattoo that matches your personality. If you found inspiration in this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment on your favorite design. And for more simple band tattoo ideas, minimal tattoos, and meaningful tattoo designs, subscribe to our channel, Tattoo 18. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the world of simple, elegant tattoos.